Hi, hello everyone, how are you? This is my new video for my video blog. So this week was school holidays for students, but it still a busy week for me. At the beginning of the week, I participated in two meetings. The school pedagogical council and city meeting of deputies principals for student affairs. On Wednesday, I visited an anti-cafe with my class. I love it, I like it very much. During this time, we moved to a new office. I am sitting in a new office right now. On Friday, I took a day off from work, but I still came in school to complete some documents. On Saturday morning, I went to an exhibition for carpets, tapestries, and tekemets with my girlfriend. Tekemet is a Kazakh traditional national carpet. Later, we had lunch together with my girlfriend. We visited the market where I bought a new suit for work, a winter jacket, and other items for the winter. Then, in the evening, we strolled through the botanical garden. This morning, today is Sunday, I sent a package to Pavlodar for my sister and come to work to prepare for the second quarter at school, second term at school. And next week will also be interesting, so stay tuned to my page.